Welcome to Exam Ground. Good evening, friends. My name is Hardik Dwivedi. Recently, I cleared NDA Second 2019 and I got recommended last year for Navy 10 plus 2 BTech entry scheme 01 2020. Today, we are going to discuss the strategy which I followed to clear my NDA written of mathematics. First of all, I would like to mention something. Please pay your attention. A person becomes a successful man if he has three things. First, a goal. Second, motivation. And third, a strategy. Today we are here to discuss the same strategy. Let's first look at the paper pattern. NDA follows two exam in itself. First is maths. First paper is of maths, that is of 300 marks. Second is of GAT, general ability test, which is of 600 marks. GAT consists of four subjects: English, social science, science and current affairs. Today we are here to discuss about mathematics. So we all know that it is of 300 marks, 120 questions, 2.5 marks for each correct answer and minus 0.83 marks for each wrong answer, and total time given to us is 2.5 hours. All right. So this is all about the paper pattern. So let's discuss about the trend, because trend is the most important thing a person or an aspirant, every aspirant must be aware about. All right. So coming to trends, that is sets and relation, it contains every time 8 to 9 questions from this chapter. We have 6 to 10 questions from probability every time. From statistics, it is 5 to 7 5 to 7 questions. In vector 3D, we have 8 to 16 questions. From calculus, which is the major portion, which consists of 30 to 35 questions. And trigonometry, from this part we get around 8 to 12 questions every time. From circle, conics and coordinate geometry, this section we get 10 to 15 questions. From matrices and determinants, we get 6 to 8 questions. From quadratic equations, we get 4 to 6 questions. From this single chapter, we get 4 to 6 questions. Mind it. Then complex number, we get 3 to 7 questions. From sequence series, we get 2 to 4 questions. Permutation and combination, we get 2 to 5 questions. Next comes is log and binomial theorem. From there, we sometimes get one question, or sometimes it reaches from ranges from 1 to 5. So we get almost 1 to 5 question from log and binomial combined. All right. So we have to clear we have to get around 25% to 30% every time to get it clear individually. All right. If 25 to 30% means 75 to 90 marks in maths only. All right, just to clear it individually. If we want to attend this much marks, then we have to attempt 45 to 50 questions at least. All right. Then if because now corona pandemic is going on and 50 days are left just. All right. So you have to get around 120 to 130 plus marks just to be on the safer side, because competition will be increasing. All right. And to get that, we have to at least attempt 60 to 70 question to the best of your knowledge. Then comes the books which I referred personally. I prepared my whole ND examination from Pathfinder and NCRT. Then Arihant's handbook, you would have never heard about this book because we don't use it. Teachers use it. I got it from one of the teachers. And from this book I have prepared my trigonometry, because there are many questions which have direct answers to them. So we have to revise all those questions, and in this book we will get all those things. All right. Then comes coaching tricks. We go to coaching and get to know various small tricks. All right. So those tricks with those tricks we can solve our questions with in very less time, and it is really very helpful. Some tricks like putting the value of x and assuming the value of x and solving and satisfying all the equations. These are some tricks which everyone knows. All right. But if you don't know, then don't hesitate. We are going to give you the source from where you can get all these things. Then comes Arihant's PYQs. This is the most important part of this strategy, because every aspirant who is preparing for NDA, he would have gone through these things: Pathfinder, NCRT, or coaching tricks. But major of the portion of these aspirants, they forget one thing, and that is to solve previous year question, because without solving this previous year question, an aspirant is not able to understand what type of question are going to be asked from him. He is not aware about the standard of NDA, and to get to know about this standard, you have to solve this previous year questions. And believe me, if you have solved only previous year questions, then also you will be able to attend 45 to 50 question easily, because you would be knowing that these question comes every time. All right, so this is what my strategy was. Now comes the YouTube channel, where which I would recommend you that you should watch. All right, those channels are the Tutors Academy and the Maths Jugaad Se. These two channels I followed a lot, and believe me, they share a lot of things which every aspirant should be knowing. The Tutors Academy is the best platform for getting the knowledge, concept, and clearing your doubts. All right. Then comes the Maths Jugaad Se. Here Mayank sir clears and gives you all those tricks which an aspirant must know to clear those that question in the least possible time. And I would suggest you that you are like, have you studied about statistics? Definitely. So statistics you would have means studied in 5 to 6 pages at least, but here in Maths Jugaad Se you will just get a single chart, flow chart, and you will be able to answer all the question from that chart. No even a single extra line you have to read from the chapter, and you will be able to solve all the questions which are going to be asked in NDA. All right, so this is the tricks which I followed, and I would suggest you that you should also go with this. And God bless you. Thank you all. For more such videos, join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.